Right, so we've got an Indesit WG1030. That's my overview. And yeah, it's rank. Look at that. They do go in, but seriously, that much muck, you kind of battle with it. Look at that. And the dial works as well. You gonna know something? It all works. Now you could just say it's probably got chucked up because of its state. There is actually a hole in this hose here, which I've tried to botch up lots of testing it. It still leaks water everywhere, but even so. And yeah. Bit of rust at the bottom. There is actually no filter at all. The hole's there for those that did have a filter. Well, that's not the worst part about this machine. Ready? Now, I'm sorry, but ain't that baked on food? But other than that, it does actually fully work. It went through its 90 cycle, no problems at all. It heats up, the motor works, the timer works, it fills, it drains, the pressure switch works. There's nothing to warrant otherwise. Oh, and this is a John Lewis JLWM, which, a quick overview of this, probably won't hurt. 1600 spins, top of the range one. Same motor as the AEG. That means it'll have an inverted board, but they built this using a special door, which is based on the ZWF, and then it's got the Zanussi's ZWF front panel, and John Lewis's own top panel. But it has stain and a special automatic program. Stain, of course, is exclusive to AEG, and automatic actually is only exclusive to John Lewis. And when I actually bought it for £2.20, and it was sold as fully working on eBay. I had to go collect it, of course. But when I plugged it in, while he was there, the door lock were playing up. It was E43 error code. Anyway, so I still gave him more money for it, but I thought £2.20 is a bit insulting. But even so, it's only just been in storage. That says a lot, really. Drum paddle's cracked as well. But other than that, and the door seal's absolutely manky. Really manky. There's a dent there, and a scratch on the door. Bit of patch of rust here and there. But other than that, actually it looks really, it's not that bad. Replaced the door lock, it's fine now. It's just getting towards the end of its cycle, just on the 90 wash. It starts off at 2 hours 54. It's only taking about 2 hours, if that. So it must cut down the wash cycle depending on how much washing is in it. And what's rather interesting, we've got a 40-minute wash, which is actually only available on this and the Electrolux Insight time managers abroad, lost hours. We end up with mini 30 instead. How annoying is that? Anyway, that's them two.